said I won't be back in a while. Don't wait, already packed her bags. Called the cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough. And maybe time will make you fade, but I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
다 익은 것 같아. 까불어. 이런 거 안 먹지? 얼마나 맛있다고. 이대로? 낙이 잘 익었다.
김치도 뭐 어제 전쟁이었지.
Oh, I ain't gonna live like this no more. Most of my life been waging war. Till I found peace, I could've swore. What she did shook me to the core, and I ain't gonna live like that no more. Well, I ain't gonna live like this no more. Trouble comes when the barmaid pours. Another poor man who should have found.
그때 바다 반짝반짝거려가지고 이뻤는데.
When I get going, you can hear me roar. You know I can't live like this no more.
We were 아이고 고생하셨습니다.
집으로 출발.
Instant chemistry. It took me a while to realize that you were the missing piece. It didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. Yeah, it felt like coming home. I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday